Okay. He's eating what? A mouse? Ew, that's gross. You want to touch it? See, it's a toy. Awful, huh? Don't worry, don't worry. You scared, Seda? Those are toys, they are fake. Oh, look at...
I see.
Look at this baby, Seda.
That's a monster baby. That made me angry. And a baby?
And this one. Remove the pocket. Remove the pocket. Come play with me. Wanna go play with her? No? Okay, that's it. Let's go home now.
No. Let me buy a costume. Let's check that. Let's check. Let's see there. Let's see. Come on. I said at Halloween. I cannot see.
You got your costume already, remember?
No, I'll show you.
Costume number 514.
Not up there, not up there.
Which one?
That one.
The Spider-Man? That's for men.
Oh,
The kids? Yeah, that's for... Oh, that guy? No, that's not... No. Those are for big persons.
Which one?
The ones here... Oh, I like this one. Yeah, that's cute.
Oh, which one is mine?
Here.
No, no. I want mine to be this one.
That's the one we bought, Seda, for you.
I want this one. Oh, Mama, I want this one. No, I want this one, Batman. This one,
The
Mama.
Batgirl?
Yeah.